So guys, I'm currently on my way to get bole now. I'm really famished and I've been sitting down thinking of my life, whether to go or not to go, but I have to go because I'm very, very hungry. So let's do this. Ah man, the sun outside is so hot. Like you guys, it's so hot. I've been out and about since morning. I went to the market, I went to the speed up office. I've just been out and about. I went to collect one of my parcels from speed up. Before I forget, you're welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the vlog. So I got these 2 parcels from AliExpress. So one of them is my yarn. See it? It's actually looking small, smaller than I expected. Look at it, looking very small, and it feels very soft. I don't know what I'm going to crochet with this, but until then I'm just going to keep it. So I ordered for a computer glass. I've been wanting to buy a computer glass here in Nigeria, but the price they're calling for me is usually from 7k to 6k. Because of late I've been on my phone every day. Like every day I'm always on my phone. So this is going to help me protect my eyes, even though I have the glasses already. This is what it looks like. Oh, it's looking like just an ordinary glass. These glasses, I have plenty glasses. It says blue light blocking reader. That's why I bought it, because of that blue light stuff. I got it because of the blue light stuff. So let's see if it sizes me. This is why I got it, because of that blue light stuff. It's actually okay. So no more. Anytime I want to wear my glasses, I wear my glasses, and anytime I want to be on my phone, I use this one. Cute. Looking good. So I went to speed up office to get my parcel. I went yesterday, I got one parcel. I showed you guys that. So I've gone today to get the other one. And part of the 2 parcels I got, one belongs to Comfort, and this one is my own. Guys, I ordered those first set of nails. The difference between this and that one is that one they gave me a sticky tab, and they also gave me a glue. But this one, see how it came, just with sticky tabs and the nail set. So this is the nail set, looking very cute and short. I love short nails, you guys. I can never get over short nails. So this is what the first one look like, and extra nails to go with it. So let me show you guys the second one, which is the one I love. The second one is the one I love most because of the brown color. So it's from the same brand, so there's no glue. So this is the second sticky tab, and this is the nail proper. So this is what the nail looks like. Hope you guys can see. So I like the fact that it's short and all of those stuff. Guys, I just want to rant a little bit. Being a multi-talented person is actually hectic. Like you guys, I really don't even know what to do because I'm always overwhelmed doing this and doing that. Currently I'm obsessing about art, and I've made a whole lot. I've made like 4 or 5 arts, and I'm still making more, which is I'm still making more. So it's actually nice. This is one of the art I uploaded recently to my Instagram page. You can go to my Instagram page and have a good look at it. I'm obsessing over art right now, and you guys, I can't get over it. So as a multi-talented person, maybe 5 months you're obsessing over crochet, the other 5 months you're obsessing over art, the other 5 months you're making hair. So like you guys, it's so overwhelming, but I like the fact that I'm able to do different things, and it's really, really amazing. So I'm selling my prints. I'm actually selling my art prints in case you guys want to buy. So I'm going to my VLLO art Instagram page is going to be scrolling down on the page now. In case you want to buy any of my arts, you can go over to Beyond Art and tell me any of them you want to buy, or if you want any custom design, like you want me to recreate your pictures into digital art, digital photo, then I can do it for you. And my crochet is still available for purchase. We are all in for all those businesses, so stay tuned. I've just been so unmotivated to do vlogmas. I've been so unmotivated to do vlogmas because of late some of my videos are not getting good views. Since this year, it has just been me struggling with my channel, but I just pray that God is going to help me. And this one is on another level. I just came on here to just rant and say some things that have been bothering me. Like, you guys, I've just been struggling with this channel for going to 3 years now, and like, as if you're putting in more effort and you're not getting anything in return. It's so hectic for me right now, and at this point I've lost motivation, and I'm not just happy. So at this point of my life, I just feel like I'm just so tired, like demotivated, lack of motivation to even continue with the channel. Like, the way it is for me, I just want to just delete it so I can just rest. I can just have like I can just rest and just be rest assured that there's no YouTube channel anywhere that's seeking my attention. Like, you guys, it's so stressful. You will see other persons, they will come, they've uploaded up to just 10 videos, they are monetized, they've gone about their duties. Me, I've uploaded 241 videos right now, and like, it's as though the more video I upload, the more things become bad, and the more the views become worse. Like, a whole 241 videos and like no monetization, nothing. Like, at this point, I'm tired. People be like, cause I've tried a whole lot. I've tried so many things that some of our big YouTubers will be saying, do this. I've done more. I've done a whole lot, and even more than what I'm supposed to do. Still, at this point, I'm just like, delete the channel and maybe delete the channel, maybe recover and start up again and start afresh again. I was telling my hobby this evening that the way it is for me, I'm feeling so bad about my YouTube channel that I want to delete it because I'm just so tired. You're putting in the effort, you're not seeing any results. The worst part of the whole issue is that even when you even reach out to some of those the BB YouTubers that you say that we have around, that I even support, watch their videos, leave comments. When you reach out to them, some of them will just ignore you. I know when I started my channel, I know some persons I reached out to, and some of them ignored, some of them did as if they did not even see the message. The one that even managed to see the message said she's going to look at my channel, and if she sees that my content is like her own content, then we can collaborate. So ever since I got that response, I just stopped asking any big YouTubers for help concerning my channel. I've just been running it on my own up till now that I've uploaded 241 videos, and like, I'm not trying to maybe compare my channel to other channels, but I feel like you guys, it's not. I'm just trying to say the way I'm feeling right now. I'm just feeling so bad about that channel. I'm telling you, and I feel like deleting it, because if I delete it, I'll have rest of mind. I'm not thinking about YouTube. Everybody will just be there. Seriously, it's so annoying.